here today with Dr. Michael John, Medical Director of Infection Prevention and Control at LHSC. Now, Dr. John, we've heard through the grapevine that you have quite an interesting tie collection that's been sort of inspired by the work that you do in microbiology, and we're hoping that you'll share that with us today.
Sure. These are ties actually made by a company in the US called Infectious wearables, and they raise money for various sort of causes that involve infectious diseases. And about 10 years ago I was at a conference and I saw this tie, and I'm very fond of blue. My wife's not too fond of blue. And so I really liked the tie, and it's actually Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And my mother spent her life working for the South African National TB Association, and so I sort of bought it thinking of my mum, and that sort of started the collection off. Now I also work at the STD clinic, and so I bought a syphilis tie, which is sort of in a different colorway, and then of course we have our influenza campaign every year, and so this is a tie. This is actually the influenza virus, and so whenever I attend any of our influenza meetings and so on, or chat, I wear my influenza tie. And then I have one that has yeasts and fungi that affect humans.
Well, these are certainly an interesting collection of ties, and I think it's such a fun way to sort of share with people the work that you do here every day at the hospital. So thank you for sharing with us.
Well, thanks for your interest.
I'm Mandy Jelena, bringing you inside LHSC.